In a certain industrial substance, I've told you people that this is the topic which made me realize that in life there is a place where chemistry and maths combine. The application of mathematics combined with chemistry. These were the questions when I was doing in my A levels. So मुझे बड़ा एहसास हुआ कि नहीं भाई, the two topics or the two subjects to combine or merge at a point. Okay, so the mass of the substance in container T minutes after the start of the process is x grams. At any time, the rate of formation of the substance is proportional to its mass. Also, throughout the process, the substance is removed from the container at a constant rate of 25 grams per minute. When T is this, x is 1000, dx by dt is this. सबसे पहले, if I want to find, for example, पहले ही बता चुका हूं, दोबारा देख लो. If I want to find the rate of flow of volume, how do I find it? Rate of V in minus rate of V out. Is that right? For example, if I have a container, उसमें if I am adding 50 liters per minute and removing 20 liters per minute, so eventually the change in volume is 30 liters per minute. At your level वो यही होता है, हमारे पास तो accumulation production भी आती है, but don't worry. इसी तरह if I want to find, इसमें mass है, so dm by dt, what will that be? Rate of m formed minus rate of m. Is this right or wrong? It's forming and simultaneously it is also being removed. Can we agree on that? What does the question say? That the formation rate of m formed, this is proportional to its mass. So rate of m formed is proportional to mass. So can I say rate of m formed is km? So dm by dt is km minus, what about m removed? The question is telling constant rate of 25 grams per minute. If you are unable to understand this, let me know. इसको समझो अच्छे से. Is this right? लिखोगे नहीं तो कभी नहीं समझ आएगा. dm by dt is km minus 25. क्वेश्चन ने कहा x, yes it is x gram. Sorry, I should have taken it as x. Thank you. इसको मैं x कर लेता हूँ, कोई मसला नहीं है. The mass was given in x grams, so we should have taken it as x. चलो सही है. Now the question told me that when t is 0, dx by dt is 7.5 and x is 1000. So can you use it and solve it and tell me the value of k that you end up with? What is the value of k? I've told you when you read the question, note down the data. Most of the data is often given in words. Sometimes it's provided with simple values like in this one. So what is the value of k? 25 वहां जाके add हो गया, divide करो. Sorry, it's 75, not 7.5. इसको correct कर लो. What is the value of k? 0.1. Yes. So dx by dt is 0.1 x minus 25. Now the question wants me to take 0.1 as common. कोई भी चीज if we take common, we divide each one of them. इसको भी 0.1 से divide करेंगे x. When you divide 25 by 0.1, you get 250. Have we formed the differential equation? Now the question wants us to solve it. There is a reason it provides a differential equation in this manner, because it will help us in solving this one. What is the first and most probably the only step that we do while solving a differential equation? We separate the variables. Sare x containing variables with x and all the non-x or t containing variables with t. Now can I integrate both sides? So I'll try to do this with definite integrals. It's very easy. So if I integrate it definitely, what am I saying? X was, पहले दोनों की लिमिट्स लगा दूं, then I'll show you. I'll say when x was 1000, t was 0. When t is t, x is x. We can use such variable limits with definite integral. How do I integrate the left side? Any hint? ln of x minus 250. The upper limit is x. इसमें फिर c नहीं लिखना पड़ता. The lower limit is 1000. And this will be 0.1 t. The upper limit is the variable t. The lower limit is 0. Now let's apply ln of x minus 250 minus ln of 1000 minus 250 is equals to 0.1 t minus 0 simply. So this is what we end up with. इसमें plus c आपको नहीं लिखना पड़ेगा. Is this clear? Now what do I need to do? ln, the logs are subtracting their inputs, can divide. Point 1 t. When I remove log x minus 250 upon 750 is 0.1 e to the power 0.1 t. I've told you can also write it as exponential. 750 इधर जाके multiply हुआ, minus 250 is 750 e to the power 0.1 t, and x is 750 e to the power 0.1 t plus 250. So you've written x in terms of t.